The next step is to select the AI profile that's gonna edit your photos. And the first question is if you already have at least 2,000 edited photos available for Imagen to use and train your profile from. That's the first question. If yes, then we're gonna go through the process of building a personal AI profile in the next video. But if you don't have them yet, or if you just want to explore the other options that Imagen has, let's continue in this video. We have 3 options. The first one is a light AI profile, which is a profile you can build from a preset. The second one is a profile from our profile showcase, which is a bank of different talent AI profiles that Imagen already has created for you, and they're instantly available. And the last one is one profile from the profile shop, which are available for sale. And let's go through all of them together in the app right now. So let's go through the process of how to select an AI profile for editing your photos. Okay, so now we're in the app and we're gonna go through the second tab, which is the AI Profiles tab. And here you can see, well, of course I have so many profiles, but you can create your own with these 2 options. The first one, the light personal AI profile, you don't need any photos for training, which is a very good head start if you're like exploring the app and so on. So I'm gonna click here to build a light personal AI profile, and I'm gonna continue with the survey, which is asking me for the name of the profile, and I'm gonna write bright and pretty. And I'm gonna select one of my presets, the ones that I have stored in my computer. So let's select our preset. I would recommend you to go with a color one. Let's go to the next step. And now you're gonna continue answering the survey, which is asking about how you like your photos. Do you want them darker or brighter? Just continue answering the survey according to your personal preferences. And Imagen will do the rest for you. And now it's building your AI profile. It's very quick, it just takes a couple of minutes and your profile is ready for editing. The next step would be just to edit with this profile and continue uploading your photos for editing. Now let's go to the second way of editing, of finding an AI profile, which is through the profile showcase. So I'm gonna go through the home page and then go to AI profiles. I'm gonna select the option of profile showcase. And here you can scroll down and explore all the different options that Imagen has to offer. There are profiles for different photography types like wedding or portraiture. So I would just invite you to explore and wander through this part of the app. And once you have one that you'd like, you can select use to edit, and Imagen will take you along the way into the next process of uploading your photos. And the third way of getting an AI profile is through the profile shop. So here you can see at the bottom of the vertical left-sided menu, you can select the profile shop and Imagen will display the profile shop for you. So here you can wander around, you can compare styles at glance using these different options here. You can search if you already know which profile you're looking for, and you can also use a few filters depending on the type of profile that you're looking for. And once you have one that you like, for example, Overjoyed Weddings by Vanessa Joy, you can select buy now or try it first. And here you can upload a few photos to test. And a reminder for you guys, there's no wrong starting point. If you want to switch your editing style, you can always do that using the re-editing feature in the app. So don't worry, don't put too much pressure on. You can keep exploring, that's the idea. Next up, if you already have 2,000 edited photos, I'm going to show you how to create a personal AI profile in the next video. So see you there.